Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will share with you how I made my dragon sculptures and my unicorn sculpture. I hope you will enjoy this video. Last year I entered a competition run by the British Polymer Clay Guild. The theme was celebration and there were several categories you could enter, such as jewelry, mixed media, sculptures and also emerging artist. So I was thinking about what I could make that fits the theme. I live in Wales and dragons do feature a lot in Wales. The Welsh flag has a red dragon on it. That gave me the idea to have a go at making a big dragon to celebrate Wales, and for this I chose the Welsh colours of the flag, red, green and white. Sadly I didn't win in my category or in the competition, but I made a smaller version in purple and put it on my website. And just before Christmas a friend of mine bought both dragons as Christmas gifts. And you can see both dragons in these photos. When I work on a sculpture I always make notes and take photos, in case I want to reproduce the sculpture. These photos and notes are a valuable reference for me. I also do this in case I want to create a tutorial. I noticed that my dragons got a lot of positive comments, so I created these two new ones. This one in purple and this one in red. I named the purple one Erin and the red one Davina. Both dragons were created in several stages and baked several times. When I start a sculpture I usually work on the body first and bake it. The dragons also needed wings and the wings posed a bit of a challenge. As you can see, the wings of my first two dragons look very different to the ones I made for these two and were super fiddly to cut out. To get the wings right I had to experiment and I used cardboard on which I drew the wing shape. Once happy with the shape and size of my templates I cut out the clay and extruded the veins. And then I baked them. Once they were baked, I added them to the dragon and baked it again. And then I worked on the heads and added them using cocktail sticks. I also cut out scales with these tiny round cutters. Once the dragons were baked, I still had to paint and varnish their eyes. I made this unicorn mainly because I just wanted to see if I can actually create one, and they are very popular. This one was all baked in one go, as in this case I didn't bake the body first. I hope you like my dragons and my unicorn. You can find them on my website. Thank you for watching. Bye!